Installation of top-hung doors with a sequential synchronous door kit. The mechanism includes one extended roller, one side roller, 2 wire rope clamps, 4 screws, 2 nuts, 1 3-meter wire rope. For door installation, you will also need a kit of wire rope clamps that includes 1 wire clamp with a plate, 1 wire clamp on a strip. The required number of the kits is determined by the hanging doors calculation table. You can find the link to the table in the description to the video. Before installation, loose the adjustment screw in the side roller. The doors can be installed in the doorway with one stationary door. You can also install them in front of the doorway with all the doors moving. Install the wire rope clamp on the outer door. The embedding parts of the roller are supposed to bear against the stile. If the project suggests 2 moving doors, install the rollers without the wire rope clamps and the bottom roller of sequential mechanism on the second door. If the project suggests 3 moving doors or more, install the rollers on the second door and the clamp on the side roller. If the project suggests 3 moving doors or more, install the rollers on the last door and the clamp on the extended side roller. If the project suggests 4 moving doors or more, install the rollers with the wire rope clamps on the third and the following doors, except for the last one. Insert the fittings in the front track. Insert the fittings in the track for the middle moving doors. Insert the fittings in the track for the last moving door. Insert the fittings in the track for the stationary door. Install the tracks in the doorway. Install and adjust the doors. Use 2 bottom rollers for the stationary door. Use 1 roller for each moving door. Install the wire clamp with a plate on the last track. Put the wire rope around the rollers and through the fittings, starting with the last door. Connect the ends of the wire rope in the clamp. Stretch the wire rope with the help of the adjusting screw. Move the doors to the end position and tighten the screws and all clamps on the wire rope. In case the doors are installed in front of the doorway, put a clamp on the cover. Route the wire cable and adjust the doors as in the version with 1 stationary door. Adjust the soft closers and the positioners. Check the operation of the doors.